Hello viewers and welcome back to my channel Lubna Scholars. Have you ever wondered why the lotus flower is considered one of the most special plants in the world? It is admired not only for its breathtaking beauty but also for its incredible health benefits. Growing in muddy ponds and lakes, the lotus rises above the water to bloom into a stunning flower, symbolizing purity, strength, and new beginnings. But what many people don't know is that the lotus is also an important medicinal and an edible plant. From its delicate flowers to its crunchy underground roots, almost every part of the lotus has been used for thousands of years in traditional medicine and cooking across Asia. In today's video, we will explore the amazing health benefits of the lotus flower and lotus root, fascinating facts about the remarkable plant, and why it deserves a place among nature's greatest gifts. What is a lotus plant? The lotus is an aquatic plant that grows in freshwater ponds, lakes, and slow moving rivers. Its large green leaves float on the water while its beautiful pink or white flowers bloom above the surface. Hidden beneath the muddy bottom is the lotus root, an edible stem often mistaken for a root. The lotus has been cultivated for over 3000 years and is popular in countries like China, India, Japan, Thailand, Pakistan, Vietnam, and many other parts of Asia. Health benefits of lotus flower rich in powerful antioxidants. The lotus flower contains natural antioxidants that help protect the body's cells from damage caused by harmful free radicals. These antioxidants may reduce the risk of chronic diseases and slow down the aging process. Helps reduce stress and anxiety. Lotus flower tea has long been used in traditional medicine to calm the mind. Its natural compounds may help reduce stress, anxiety, and mental fatigue, leaving you feeling more relaxed. Promotes better sleep. People who struggle with insomnia or restless nights often drink lotus flower tea because it may promote relaxation and improve sleep quality. Sports healthy skin. The antioxidants found in lotus flower help protect the skin from environmental damage. They may reduce signs of aging, improve skin texture, and keep the skin looking fresh and healthy. May reduce inflammation. Chronic inflammation is linked to many diseases. Lotus flower contains natural and anti-inflammatory compounds that may help reduce swelling and discomfort in the body. Sports heart health. Some traditional studies suggest that lotus flower may help improve blood circulation and support a healthy cardiovascular system. Traditional herbal medicine. For centuries, lotus flowers had been used in herbal medicine to help relieve cough, digestive discomfort, and mild fevers. Although scientific research is still ongoing, many cultures continue to value these traditional uses. Amazing benefits of lotus root. Now let's look beneath the water where the real nutritional treasure grows, the lotus roots. Excellent source of dietary fiber. Lotus root contains plenty of dietary fiber which keeps your digestive system healthy. It helps prevent constipation, improve gut health, and supports healthy digestion. Rich in vitamin C. Vitamin C strengthens the immune system, helps the body fight infection, promotes wound healing, and supports healthy skin by boosting collagen production. Good for heart health. Lotus root contains potassium, an important mineral that helps regulate blood pressure by balancing sodium levels in the body. Healthy potassium intake may reduce the risk of heart diseases. Provide natural energy. The carbohydrates found in lotus root provide long lasting energy, making it a nutritious food for active people. Supports healthy blood. Lotus root contains iron and copper, two minerals that help the body produce healthy red blood cells. This improves oxygen transport throughout the body and may help reduce fatigue. Helps with weight management. Despite being filling and nutritious, lotus root is relatively low in calories and rich in fiber, making it an excellent choice for people trying to maintain healthy weight. Improves blood circulation. The nutrients in lotus roots support healthy blood circulation, helping oxygen and nutrients reach different parts of the body more efficiently. Strengthens bone. Lotus root contain minerals such as calcium, magnesium, phosphorus, and manganese that contribute to stronger bones and teeth. Supports healthy brain function. Vitamin B6 found in lotus root helps support brain development, memory, and the proper functioning of the nervous system. Rich in antioxidants. Like the flower, lotus roots also contains antioxidants that help protect the body from cell damage and supports overall health. Nutritional value. Lotus root is packed with important nutrients including vitamin C, vitamin B6, potassium, iron, copper, magnesium, phosphorus, manganese, dietary fiber, healthy carbohydrates. These nutrients work together to support overall health and well-being. Culinary uses. Lotus root is an important ingredient in many Asian dishes. It can be stir fried, boiled, steamed, deep fried into a crispy chips, added to soup and curries, pickled, cooked with meat and vegetables. Its unique crunchy texture make it a favorite in many traditional recipes. Interesting facts about the lotus. The lotus flower can stay clean because its leaves naturally repel water and dirt. Lotus seeds can remain alive for hundreds, even thousands of years before germinating. Every part of the lotus plant can be used, including the flower, leaves, seeds, stems, and root. In many cultures, the lotus symbolizes purity, wisdom, peace, and spiritual growth. The lotus opens in the morning and closes at night, making it a symbol of renewal and hope. Precautions. Although lotus flower and lotus roots are generally safe when eaten as food, some people may be allergic to them. People taking medications for diabetes or blood pressure should consult a healthcare professional before consuming large amounts, as lotus may affect blood sugar and blood pressure. The lotus is much more than a beautiful flower. It is a remarkable plant that provides nutrition, support, health, and carries deep cultural and spiritual meaning. Whether enjoyed as a soothing tea, a healthy vegetable, or admired for its beauty, the lotus continues to inspire people around the world. If you enjoyed learning about the amazing benefits of the lotus flower and lotus root, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you will never miss our next fascinating journey into the wonders of nature. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.